Looks like a wax dummy. Hey there, it's Dr. Monty with Geek Rehab. We've got some paraffin wax here. It's not just a spa treatment anymore. You can buy these puppies on Amazon and maybe at our store. We're going to check that out and see if we can start giving you an option with some sales discounts for those too. They're really good. I use them in therapy a lot for hands or personal use. You can use them for feet, and it feels great. It's a very good heat treatment, all right, especially in the winter times. Man, that's got to feel great. It helps lubricate all your skin. Okay, they've got actually different not flavors, you wouldn't want to taste this stuff. They got different scents, all right, of paraffin wax that can go in there. You can have eucalyptus or menthol or whatever. What I've got here in the clinic, just to prevent any allergies or sensitivities, is just plain paraffin wax. Okay, but what I use it for here in the clinic is for people that have hand or wrist arthritis. It's fantastic, okay, to help prevent or reduce the pain from arthritis, and to help preheat joints or muscles that we're going to be working, okay? So I'm going to demonstrate how you would utilize this at your own home system. And again, they're not that much anymore. You can get them pretty cheap. Anyways, what I do in the clinic, I'll have the person first, obviously wash up, and you dip in there anywhere between 5 to 7 times, okay, in and out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And it's not super hot, all right? It actually feels really, really good. And you go as deep as you comfortably can get your hand in there. And once you're in there, you don't want to be moving around or anything, because you want a nice solid seal in the wax. So that was 1, okay. 2, you bring it out, let it drip, 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 finish dripping, okay. 3, 4, it creates a really nice coat of wax on there. 5, okay, so once it finishes, then you can stick it in a sack, a bag of some sort. And usually when you buy these, they come with some Ziplocs or some kind of baggies like that. And then they also come with a glove that you can put your hand in that's like this kind of material, okay? Now, the one you got that you buy is pretty easy to maneuver and utilize. But so you kind of just put it up like that, and this holds the heat in by keeping it on one of these insulated wraps. So that holds the heat in, and then I let it soak in, let it heat up for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you can take the wax off and go about your day. Really good way to start the day if you have arthritic joints in your hands or feet. And takes that away, helps movement feel much better. You can leave it on there longer as long as the heat is affected. There's no reason there's no negative problem with keeping it on any longer period of time. So basically, say for instance, all right, that's been 15 or 20 minutes. All right, we want to take it off. All right. And then it peels right off. Just peel it right off of there. Look at that. Oh, it feels good. It's really, really softens the skin up, but it comes right off. Now, if you're using this at home, your own personal use, you can just put it right back in there and reuse it, because it's your own skin debris. But here we chuck it. All right, we don't keep that around to use for another person. But it really does feel soft. Look at that. Can you see the difference in color? This hand I didn't do it on, this hand I did. Look at the blood circulation. Look at that change. My hand is so nice and warm, this one's a little cool. But man, you can just tell the difference. It's really effective, really helpful.